POSiflex Haydn ZT Series. One-touch open POS solution. It's the industry's first clamshell design, tailored for driving innovation and business efficiency. With a patented clamshell, screwless and modular design, so you can work faster, easier, and more efficiently. You can easily remove and upgrade the motherboard and monitor for the regular maintenance and upgrade tasks. The clamshell design redefines possibility. With ZT, it is just that easy. With a variety of advantages, ZT can help grow your business efficiently and exponentially. ZT features IP-rated protection for hospitality-hardened environment, powered by Intel Tiger Lake or Elkhart Lake high-performance system. The versatile I/O is hidden with more secure protection. Die-cast aluminum casing with a sleek modern design. And thanks to its fan-free design with no moving parts, it's highly reliable and durable. For data security, the USB port comes with a lock design. You can freely adjust the ZT to an optimized angle for you. The integrated power adapter in the base allows for more counter space. Three-way cable management allows for a clean desk and easier maintenance. Designed to attract customers, inspire loyalty, and maximize revenue potential. The Haydn ZT Series, driving innovation and business efficiency, exceed your expectations.